Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a kale superfood salad. Absolutely delicious, all full of goodness. It's going to be absolutely amazing. You've got almonds and pomegranates and a load of other good stuff in there. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But yeah guys, we're going to dive straight in. I'm going to show you how to make this salad. Really simple to do, and all the ingredients that you will need for this dish are here. Don't worry if you do miss these ingredients, I do put these in the info box below, so do check out there for these and you'll catch them there as well. So guys, what we'll also be doing is we will also be using some fresh kale. Okay guys, we're going to dive straight in. I'm going to show you exactly how to make this now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prep everything that we need. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our kale, and then all we're going to do is we are going to cut out the stalks here. So with our sharp knife, we're just going to cut out that. Let's pull off the tops. We don't want that. So that's one. So once you've got all that cut, as you can see, you've got some great big bunches here and some little bits here. So all we're going to do is we're going to roughly cut this. We're just going to roll it up like this with our hands, get our sharp knife, and then all we're going to do is just roughly slice it just like this. A nice mixture of even sized leaves, or there or thereabouts. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a big metal bowl like this, and all we're going to do is we're going to put our kale into our big metal bowl. So we're just going to take our kettle full of boiling water, and all we're going to do is just pour our water all over the kale. So we're going to grab our spoon and we're just going to stir that. Now we're going to strain this out straight away and pour loads of cold water over it. So that's our kale. I have drained this through, poured boiling water over it, killed all the nasties, slightly blanches it. It's got a lovely bright green colour. Just going to put this to the side and we're going to prepare everything else. First thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare our radishes. I love radishes. They're nice and creamy, a little bit peppery. And all we're going to do is we are going to slice these really thinly. Just like that. Lovely. Lovely. So now that our radishes are prepared, what we're going to do now is we are going to take our baby sweet corn, and all we're going to do is we're going to cut this into eighths. Really simple. We're going to take a small knife, and all you need to do is cut straight down the middle, like that, straight down again, and in the middle like that. Lovely. So yeah guys, same way we blanched the kale, I'm also going to blanch the baby sweet corn. So we're just going to take a glass jug, pop these in here, and we're going to boil the kettle, and we are going to pour boiling water over it. Pop that back, I'll leave that for 10-15 seconds, and then we're going to strain all the water out of them. Helps with killing all the bacteria and all the nasty bugs that live on plants and the soil and stuff. So let's just strain that out quick. Yeah, my kitchen sink is over there, not here. But I have blanched these, chilled them down with some ice water. So I'm just going to pop these to the side again. Next thing I'm going to prepare is our yellow pepper. I've got a nice small one here, and all we're going to do is we're just going to chop off the top, cut out the insides, just like that. Cut straight down the middle. Take out the stalk bit. Here's the technical name, I think. And all we're going to do is just cut this up into small little cubes. Lovely. Just going to take a little bowl and pop these in just like that. I'm sure you'll agree as well. As a superfood salad, it should be really bright, really fresh in colours, and this is what I hope this to be. I'm just going to pop those there to the side and go to munch this. So just a couple more ingredients. I've got some toasted almonds here. Just going to pop that there. We've got some tomatoes. All we're going to do is pick these off of the vine and chop these up into quarters. Just like that. Pop those into the bowl. and put those to the side. So next thing we're going to do, just going to take a nice plate. We're going to take our absolutely massive pomegranate. I mean, look how big that thing is. I've never seen one this big. This was the smallest one as well. So to open a pomegranate can be tricky. Some great seeds in there, some lovely fruit. Best way to do it is, you can see here, you've got natural flattish lines, and each between the lines there's a little ridge. That's the ridge that you need to cut down. So we're just going to, with our sharp knife, we're just going to cut in around the top like this. And that should come out lovely. And as you can see, all these ridges have a nice line. So all we're going to do is we're going to cut straight down that ridge. I'm going to lose a pomegranate seed over the edge. There's another ridge. Where's the next ridge? There's a ridge here. I'm just going to cut straight down there. And then I think we've got one here as well. And what you should be able to do is you should be able to open your pomegranate up like that. All we're going to do is grab our pomegranate seeds, pop those into a bowl. Don't need a huge amount, although I will peel the rest of this later, because I do like pomegranates, it's nice. All we've got left to do is take our feta cheese, and we're just going to break off a part of that, and all we're going to do is just gently crumble some, because that is just going to be the finishing touch. Adds a little bit of saltiness. I absolutely love feta cheese. Just going to take a bowl, drop that there, and take some red wine vinegar, just like that. And what we're going to do is we are going to pour some red wine vinegar in here. So we don't want too much, maybe a tablespoon. Pop that down there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our olive oil. I dropped it last week, hopefully I won't do it this week. And we are just going to roll up these sleeves a little bit. And we're going to, whoop, lovely. Yeah, look at that, lovely. Let's roll down the arm as well. And what we want is we want about a tablespoon of this as well. Lovely, just like that. Woo. So I'm going to put some coriander seeds in there as well. Pinch of salt, lovely. Put some green peppercorns in there. Green peppercorns are a little bit fruitier. So yeah, that's all we need to do. So all we're going to do now is going to put it together. So let's grab our kale. So let's pour in our salad dressing. Let's give that a mix. And all we're going to do is just going to add all of our ingredients in. Some flaked almonds, some of our blanched baby corn, a nice handful of our sliced radishes, and we're going to add a handful of our pomegranate seeds as well. All we're going to do is give that a nice mix up, and look at the bright colours in this. I mean, how delicious does that look? Can't wait to tuck into this. So I've got a nice bowl here, and all we're going to do is we're going to take a nice lump of salad. Got some tomatoes, just going to drop some of those in around the edge, not too many. And then we're just going to put a very small amount of feta cheese in. So yeah guys, that's how you make a superfood kale salad. I mean, it looks absolutely delicious. You've got some baby corn, some feta, some pomegranate seeds. Everything's really fresh, it looks really bright. It's going to taste absolutely amazing. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, take care of yourselves and happy cooking. Bye bye. Oops. So guys, I'm just going to take a very small yellow pepper. I bashed myself in the face.